Welcome to our Tips in 2 series, where we share tips around finding information for your upcoming exams and assignments, and how to get the most out of using our online resources in just 2 minutes. In this tutorial, we'll be sharing our tips around locating and using academic databases. Academic databases allow you to search for relevant and scholarly material in your discipline or subject area, as opposed to searching for more general and wide-ranging content in library search using basic search. To locate and find an academic database, scroll down to Quick Links, where you will find the listings of all academic databases A through Z. Your first tip is to refine the list of databases down by subject area, which will retrieve databases relevant to your field. This might be a multidisciplinary, more general database or specific to your subject area. And for this example, we are going to go down to geography. You will find a blurb under each database explaining more about the material they contain and hold. For this example, we're going to select Academic Search Complete, which is a multidisciplinary database covering a large range of material in social science and humanities. When in the academic database, our first tip is to use the advanced search to structure your search, which allows you to input different keywords as such. Use the AND or NOT Boolean indicators to connect your keywords together to either broaden or narrow down your search. If you scroll down through your results, you will also see that you can access the HTML full text version of a paper or download the PDF full text. You will also be able to use the refining options on the left-hand side of the database to refine your search down even further. Lastly, you can use the thesaurus or the subject terms up here and other keywords that you can use when searching. For this example, we've put in sustainability, and you will see examples of broader terms you can use, narrower terms, or related terms. So that was our tips in 2 for locating and using academic databases. Make sure to check out our other 2-minute tutorials in this series.